morning, y'all. We decided we didn't really, excuse me, we decided we weren't really ready for breakfast. It's 9 o'clock. So we're heading out. We're going to go into town where we have service, try to find our campsite for tonight, and then we will start heading more east. And then maybe stop somewhere and make our food somewhere that's nice. And we will catch you up then. We decided to go ahead and try to maybe eat something here, get a little rest off our booties off the car, and then we're going to try to track down our campsite. I think we might try to do some off-grid near YoHo, but we're not sure. There's also some campgrounds, so worst come to worst, we'll go there, but we'll see what we do. We'll let you know, and we'll let you know what we're going to eat. Oh, it looks good. See your soup. Oh yeah, baby, it looks good. So we ate there at the Main Street Cafe, and it was very delicious. Jen had her salmon bagel with soup.
A ginger yam soup, and it was so good. I was trying something different because usually my husband says I'm a square peg when it comes to food.
True. No, it's true that she is. And I had the they called it the Western Benny, which was sockeye salmon on a cheese biscuit. It was delicious. And we got a little bit of potatoes extra, so you know what that's gonna mean. You better believe it. Alrighty guys, we have a free camping spot here at Kicking Horse River. It's just outside of YoHo. We're gonna stay tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna head in. Tomorrow morning we may go to Emerald Lake in the morning. We're not sure. We'll figure that out. There's a lot of mosquitoes out, which won't be very fun, but the river is beautiful. And wifey, my wifey is gorgeous in front of the van, and Paloma's enjoying her opportunity to see the area a little bit. So tonight we're gonna make a steak that we've been sitting on for a few days, and salad, and we'll show you guys that a little bit later once we get settled in and decide to start cooking. You can hear the train. Hopefully the train doesn't do like on the Blues Brothers. It comes so often you won't even notice. And if it does, then so be it. We're in our van anyways. All right, dinner tonight is going to be prime New York strips. We're going to cut in half. Me and Jen are going to share, and then we're going to have a couple of sunny side up eggs. Hopefully they're sunny side up, they don't break. And then we're going to have some English muffins. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll let you know how they taste.
Steak and eggs, yum yum.
I broke one of my eggs, but I took the hit for that. Let's see what Genevieve says.
Food makes me happy and it's delicious. Let's see my egg ways. Perfect.
I made her soft ones. She doesn't like the white. Uncooked, as she says. Crudo. And mine are sunny side up. Good?
Delicious.
Good morning, guys. We are at Emerald Lake this morning. We got up from our campsite and on the river and took off so we could get here before the parking gets full, because it gets full pretty early. So we left over there about 7:30. We got here probably just about 8. Let me show you, there's already lots of people out. We plan to spend a fairly decent amount of the day here, hiking around picturing eating breakfast. We haven't eaten breakfast yet. This morning we're gonna have our barbacoa and see how we do, because we don't have to check in till 2. We'll probably be there after. I guess those guys in the RV spent the night there. We didn't know you could, but they don't have any service here, so we're glad we stayed where we did, so we get to FaceTime with the grandkids last night to say goodnight. But let me show you again the lake real quick. All right, woman.
Homemade barbacoa, homemade tortillas for breakfast as we sit parked at Emerald Lodge, YoHo National Park.
Well, actually, we're at Emerald Lake, but
Oh,
close
yeah.
enough.
No, I meant Emerald Lake. Sorry, correction. Delicious.
Good.
Cheers.
So we're having 1.5 tacos each, and then we're gonna go out. We'll go out and circumnavigate the lake. I think it says 5.3 kilometers, and we'll take you guys along. Alrighty, amigos, we are on our way. We're gonna do the loop and around the whole lake and see what kind of fun we can see and beauty we can see. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I'm walking and trying to talk, so, and the trail does have some rocks and whatnot, so I have to kind of look down. They're slippery. Yeah, we're up here and it's August 11th, I think, 10th, something like that. And a lot of I guess this just shows how short summer is here in YoHo, in that there are still a bunch of thimbleberries that are growing, and where we are in Washington, those are usually done in June, maybe early June, gone. And here they are still ripening. Lots of little flowers that are come and gone already, and really here probably fall is, you know, probably kind of toward the end of this month and into September, and then winter probably comes real fast. So they have a short growing season. Plants have to get going, and we've never been up here in August, so this is kind of a little new for us. Hoping that it would see a little bit of fall type stuff. We'll see. Okay, good. Here's what we got. Bears in the area. Did you make it?
Yes, barely.
Okay, what's the word you're looking for? When you're young, you're eh. Come on, what is it?
I don't know.
Come on, what's the word?
Go, there's people.
Come on, what's the word?
Stop it. Go. Go. Invincible.
are a lot of people. That's what I want to show you. Obviously when we got here there wasn't very many. Oops. Now there's a ton. Alrighty, we are now trying to leave and we're stuck behind this bus. So we're gonna do a quick review, babe.
Oh, 10 out of 10. I mean, if you haven't been to Banff or actually YoHo National Park, do it. It's beautiful. We didn't get to do the canoe, thingy, but there'll be a third time.
Because there's a billion people here.
Yeah, it's ridiculously long, and we did a hike and it was really nice. So you'll love the hike. You can't go wrong with that.
If you want to do the canoeing, you want to find out what time they open. Make sure you're here. You got to be here before 8 anyways to get a parking. And then go hang out there and wait for the canoe to open up. And then go get your canoe. Paddle for an hour. It's $100 Canadian, I think, per hour.
Yeah, and then do your hike.
And then do a hike afterwards. We're not doing the canoe, but we're going to go from here to this place just up the street on the same cutoff to
Natural Bridge Caverns.
Yeah, natural bridges or natural bridge caverns or something. We'll take you over there and show you what it's like. But again, Emerald Lake is
10 out of 10.
Yeah, A+. You want to visit it if you can. So many people out and about. I mean, it's good for Canada. Here we go. Alrighty guys, we made it into Banff. We got our campsite. We'll show you in a little bit, give you the grand tour. It's pretty minimal. Right now we're just out doing a little walk to get our legs moving. We took a little nap, and we will maybe go down, take the bus at the campground. We could take the bus down to town. Which makes it nice that we don't have to route parking, because right now there's a billion people here.
Yeah, they can pick you up and it's free, but to bring you back it's $2 Canadian, of course.
Yep, so we'll probably do that if we can take Paloma on there.
Okay, we'll go up.
Okay.
How was your food?
Yeah, Ariel's gonna go home too, I think.
What'd you have? And
Focaccia bread and cornbread.
good. It was all good. We liked it. Yes, we ate there at the Coyote Deli Grill. It was good. Wasn't the greatest. Wasn't bad, that for sure. And they serve breakfast. Not a lot of places here serve breakfast. It was pretty good. They had some really nice looking salads and more interesting flatbreads like apple, Greek feta, goat feta, some good looking stuff. So we'll see where we go next. Alrighty guys, today we don't know exactly what we're doing, but right now we are down at Bow Falls and we're gonna take a look and maybe walk into town. I snuck in a round of golf. Thankfully, my wifey let me play. She's so beautiful and wonderful. At Banff Springs, we played the 9-hole tunnel course. Shot a 43. Could have been a little better, but it is what it is. And like I said, we're gonna go see what we do today. So down here by the Bow River in Banff, they have an outdoor art trail. It's nice little art exhibit, and it's a nice walk up by the river, as you can see. Good to enjoy. There's Paloma. There she is, wagging her tail.
Let's see.
Is it good? Looks like a big donut, flat donut.
Oh my god.
Super sweet.
It's perfect.
Oh, it is? Alrighty guys, quick review on the beaver tails. I got a Nutella banana, or banana rama. It's really tasty, a little sweet because of Nutella and the bananas. And Jen got the classic, just cinnamon, brown sugar, and she really liked it. It was not too sweet and pretty good. So if you get a chance, go ahead and have it. I mean, it's basically like a donut-ish thing, but flat. Not exactly the same texture, but still good. Enjoy it if you can. So the other thing they had there was all those ice creams and sherbets. And they look delicious. I really wanted to try that watermelon, but when you get a chance, if you see it, go try them. They also had that Bigfoot, looked really good. Alrighty, so we're at the Grassy Lakes Trail in Canmore, Kananaskis County. We just wanted to do a little casual little hike.
Supposed to be family friendly, easy hike with very nice scenic views. So I guess we'll see.
We shall see. Okay, back behind us is Canmore down there. I guess Grassy Lake, I assume. I don't know for sure. But it is pretty. So far, pretty easy hike. We've gone 3/4 of a mile, just under 3/4 of a mile. A little bit of a hill, but it's pretty easy. Alrighty, way down there is the van. I don't know if we can get it zooming out. All right, ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit of a workout coming up to the past the overlook to go to the upper trail. A bunch of switchbacks and stairs. Alrighty guys, sorry about that back there where I was panting so hard, but I did want to show you that we are working to get up this trail. I think we went to the lower or the interpretive trail and then to the upper. We could have just gone to the upper and avoided that climb, it looks like. So, but we'll get back. Alright guys, so we made it up to the lake. As you can see there's one here. And we're gonna go check out the other one. It looks like this. What's this about? Alright, so those lakes look like they were filled with little cutthroats feeding off the top. It'd been nice to have fly toss in. But we don't. We're just out hiking. So we're gonna head down and probably catch you at the parking lot. Alrighty guys, we made it back down to the split. Right there is the split that we took earlier. And it was beautiful up there.
That's an understatement.
Yeah, I would recommend going the low and then go up the switchbacks as opposed to that long. Yeah, because the other way,
yeah.
the high route is like a long uphill grind. Just straight up, long way. Not straight up, but long ways.
Yep.
Alrighty guys, so we are here at Two Jack Lake, overlooking Two Jack Lake, having dinner. I made some bacon, potato, egg tacos. I'll show you Jen. She's sitting right there, enjoying her taco. Here's my other leftover taco, and here is our view.